Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package and the Pro Power Onboard 9.6 kilowatt generator. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, with a nice tailgate step as well. We do get a nice extended black gripped running board with side view cameras. You got lights, blind spot detection, a nice place to plug in your vehicle since it is electric. And moving to the front, we do get that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega-powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. It even gives you an example. You can put your golf clubs in here, all that jazz. There's your Pro Power Onboard right there. You can turn it on, USB, USB-C, all that jazz. And you do get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down with storage underneath. You even get a little drain plug here as well, so you can have a little tailgate party, which is pretty nice. And to close, all you do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. You do get a mobile power cord with this vehicle as well, which is all pretty handy. Cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt, and we do get a split folding rear bench, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, frunk, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 96 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we do get our gear select. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here as well. And looking here, we do get a 360 view of your vehicle as well, which you can go for different camera angles. You even get a nice bed camera as well. Pretty handy, so you can keep your eyes on your goods, hazards, and traction. And looking here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, Pro Power Onboard, email, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, public charging, so it'll locate your nearest public charger, which is pretty handy. Settings. And your features of the vehicle, such as your drive modes. I'm going to click into there. We do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent. As well as your Pro Power Onboard, trip energy, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG11669, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.